A very beautiful hello to everyone. My name is Gagan Sandesh PR from Mysore. Today, let's begin with our very first class of class 9 called Herons Formula. Before entering into the class Herons Formula, if you have not subscribed to my channel Math Mentor Pro, please do subscribe now itself and press the bell button aside for the new updates of my channel, right? So let's begin with the class called Herons Formula. Herons Formula. So Herons Formula, this is the first chapter of the part 2 of class 9. Before entering into the concept called Herons Formula, let us deal with the very basic definitions of triangles and types of triangles, right? So let me define what is a triangle. I will draw a triangle, right? As you studied in your class 8, what is a triangle? Yes, absolutely. A triangle is a closed figure having three sides, that is AB, BC and CA, and three vertices. The vertices are A, B and C, and also it is having three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So totally the definition of triangle says that a triangle is a closed geometrical figure having three sides, three angles and three vertices. Clear? The sides are AB, BC and CA, and the angles are angle A, angle B and angle C, and the vertices are vertex A, vertices B and C. Clear? Next, we shall discuss the very important types of triangles. Clear? Types of triangle. Basically, we have 6 types of triangles. In that, we have classified that 6 types into the classification based on sides and classification based on angles. In classification based on sides, we have 3 types of triangles, and in classification based on angles, we have 3 types of triangles. Totally, based on sides 3 and based on angles 3. 3 plus 3, totally 6 types of triangles are there. Let me define one by one. Classification based on sides and classification based on angles. Classification based on sides and classification based on angles. The very first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. I will write it in a shortcut of the triangle symbol. And the second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And third one is Skirling triangle. Skirling triangle. Let me define one by one. In a very few minutes, I am going to define this as you studied in your 8th standard. Okay? First one, equilateral triangle. Yes, absolutely. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? It is a type of triangle having all the sides equal in length. Look at here. A triangle having all the sides equal in length. Let me define the sides as 5 centimeters, 3 sides equal in length. Next, isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Yes, absolutely. It is also a type of triangle having 2 sides equal in length. Only 2 sides will be equal in the case of isosceles triangle. For example, triangle, right? 5 centimeters and the base will be 6 centimeters. Clear? Only 2 sides are equal other than the other sides. Other side will be different in length. Next, scaling triangle. What do you mean by scaling triangle? Yes, absolutely. It is also a type of triangle having all the sides different in length. For example, this is 10 and this is 9 and this is 8. Clear? I think you have learned about the classification based on sides. Next, Let us discuss about the classification based on angles. The very first one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Second one is, yes, correct, obtuse angle triangle. And finally we have, yes, right angle triangle. Let me define one by one in a very few minutes. So what do you mean by acute angle triangle? Yes, absolutely. It is also a type of triangle having all the angles less than 90 degrees. Yeah. Next, what do you mean by obtuse angle triangle? Yes, absolutely. It is also a type of triangle in which one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. Clear? Next, what do you mean by right angle triangle? Yes, it is a type of triangle having one side is equal to 90 degrees. Exactly, very good. Next, we shall discuss about the area of a triangle. Clear? Now, let us discuss about the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is given by area is equals to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So let us take one of the problem regarding area. Which type of triangle is this? Very good. It is a right angle triangle because one side is equal to 90 degree. Okay, right? So the base is, let us assume that the base is 12 and one of the height is 5. Hypotenuse is not given. Okay, so let me find the area. Area is equals to half into, what is the value of base? Yes, 12, and what is the value of height? It's 5. Clear? Next, 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Clear? So therefore area is equals to 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. I think you are clear about in finding the area of the triangle, right? Next, let me give you another type of triangle. Let me give you another type of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle of 10 centimeters. Equilateral triangle of 10 centimeters. And now you are supposed to find the area. What is the formula for area? A is equals to half into base into height. In the previous type of triangle, that is called right angle triangle, you have directly the values, that is base and height. But in this type of triangle, that is in this equilateral triangle, you have the base but not the height. So what you are supposed to do is, you are drawing a perpendicular, let me name it A, B, C, okay. You are drawing a perpendicular line from A which bisects the side BC, which bisects the base BC into two equal parts. So this BC is now divided into two equal parts. So let me name it as D. So the value of BD is 5 centimeters and the value of DC is 5 centimeters. Clear? Now you have height, but you don't know the value of height. Let me find first the value of H, right? As you know, regarding the Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equals to BD square plus AD square. Clear? What is AB square? 10 square is equals to, what is BD square? 5 square. One, what is AD square? AD square is H square, height square. Clear? Next, 10 square is 100. Is equals to 5 square is 25, absolutely, and H square. 100 minus 25 is equals to H square, right? 100 minus 25 is exactly, it is 75 is equals to H square. H square is equals to 75, then H is equals to, yes, root of 75. Clear? Also H is equals to, can I write 75 as 25 into 3, right? We have studied in square and square roots in 8th standard. right? H is equals to square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 3 is square root of 3 itself. H is equals to 5 root 3 centimeters. Don't forget to write the unit after finding the value. Now we know the value of H. What is the value of H? 5 root 3 centimeters. Next, we have base value and we have height value and we have another side value. So therefore, now area is equals to half into base into height. That is half into base value is 10 into height value is 5 root 3 centimeters. 2 ones are 2 5s are, and again 5 5s are 25 root 3. Can I expect from your side? What is the unit? Centimeter square. Area is always expressed in centimeter square and not only centimeters. You are going to lose marks if you have not write the units properly. Clear? So area is equals to 25 root 3 centimeter square. So now you have got the idea regarding to find the area of the triangle. So let me give you another type of triangle called scalene triangle of length. So this is 5, this is 6 and this is 13 centimeters. So which type of triangle is this? Yes, scalene triangle. Can I apply the same technique as previous? Can I draw a perpendicular line from here? As it divides two equal parts, is it divides the two equal parts? Two equal parts agi divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So for this type of triangles, we are introducing, Herons introduced a new formula called Herons formula, and Herons formula is given by area is equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equals to exactly semi-perimeter. S is equals to semi-perimeter and A, B, C are called sides of a triangle. We can apply this for scalene triangle and also for all the types of triangles. We can apply this Herons formula for all the types of triangles, right? So next we shall discuss the first exercise of the chapter Herons formula. Exercise 8.1 of the chapter Herons formula. First problem, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Herons formula. Given if its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board, right? Let me define the step by step. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead. Let us assume this as a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. Indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. The given side is A. Because it is an equilateral triangle, you need to find out the area of the signal board. You need to find this area of this signal board using Herons formula. As you know, the Herons formula, area is equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Given if its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? What is given here? Solution. What is given here? Given perimeter P is equals to 180 centimeters. That is, then what do you mean by perimeter? Yes, exactly. Perimeter is the total length of a boundary of a geometrical figure. That is, it is the sum of all the sides of a geometrical figures, right? Then what do you mean by semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter. Here P is equals to 180 centimeters, right? That is P. What is P? A plus A plus A, right? A plus A plus A is equals to 180 because perimeter P is equals to A plus A plus A, sum of all the sides of a triangle. A plus A is equals to 180, that is 3A is equals to 180. A is equals to 180 by 3, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. A is equals to 60 centimeter. Don't write as 60, you should mention the unit. Many students will forget to mention the unit. So you have got A is equals to 60 centimeter. As it is equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal to 60 centimeters. Clear? Next step is to find out the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is given by S is equals to half of perimeter. Clear? That is half of P. How much P value? 180. 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. 90 centimeters. Clear? S is equals to 90 centimeters. Now the main part is to find out the area using Herons formula. Herons formula. Herons formula, A is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. A is equals to, yes, what is the value of S? Yes, exactly 90 into 90 minus value of A is 60. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. So 3 sides are equal to 60 centimeters. Again 90 minus B is 60. Again 90 minus C is 60. Because the given side is 60 centimeter, in equilateral triangle all the sides will be equal. Clear? Yes. A is equals to 90. You are all familiar with subtraction. 90 minus 60 is 30, and again 90 minus 60 is 30, and again 90 minus 60 is 30. So now the very important step is we should look at the one number. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ನು ಈ 4 ನಂಬರ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದು? 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ 90 as 10 into 9, 10 into 3, 10 into 3, 10 into 3? Clear? Yes. 10 into 9, 10 into 3, 10 into 3, 10 into 3. Clear? Next, A is equals to how many 10s are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times of 10. Can I write 4 times of 10 as 10 power 4? And can I, if I split it, 10 square into 10 square. Can I write 10 power 4 as 10 square into 10 square? Clear? Yes. And next, can I write 9 as 3 square? Yes, because you have studied in square and square roots. Next, can I, how many 3's are left with? We have left with 3 times of 3. That is, I will write 2 times of 3 as 3 square, and we are left with only 1 3. Any doubts? No doubts. Okay. A is equals to, okay. Now there will be a splitting method. Clear? I will split all these terms. Square root of 10 square, square root of 10 square, square root of 3 square, again square root of 3 square into square root of 3. Okay. Next, square and square root gets cancelled. Square and square root gets cancelled. We are left with only root 3 and multiplied by some number. So therefore, A is equals to 10 10s are 100, 100 3s are 300, 300 3s are 900. 900 root 3 centimeter square. So the area of the signal board is 900 root 3 centimeter square. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment section. I will solve as soon as possible. Next problem. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? A very easy problem. We shall deal it. Solution. What is given here? Side walls, the triangular side walls given. Side walls means A is equals to, can I write A is equals to 122 meter and B is equals to 22 meter and C is equals to 120 meter, because the triangular side walls are given of the flyover. As you can see the figure in the textbook, the sides of the triangular walls are A is equals to 122 meters and B is equals to 22 meters and C is equals to 120 meters, right? Now applying the perimeter is not given. The perimeter is sum of all the sides of a triangle, that is P is equals to A plus B plus C, right? P is equals to A is nothing but 122 plus B 22 plus C 120, that is P is equals to 264 meters, and next we are supposed to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of perimeter. Half of P is 264, that is S is equals to 132 meter. Make sure you are writing the units in perimeter and also in semi-perimeters. Clear? Next, the main part, apply Herons formula. Apply Herons formula. That is, area is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Area is equals to square root of, what is the value of S? 132. 132 into 132 minus value of A, 122. Are you getting me? Yes. Next, square root of 132 in minus B, 22. And next, 132 minus the value of C is 120. Right? So you are familiar with subtraction, that is 132 into 132 minus 122. How much? It's 10, right? 10. Next, 132 minus 22, it's 110, and 132 minus 20, it's 12, right? 12, right? Next, area is equals to square root of, last time I have given you, in last problem I have given you one trick, that is choose a one number such that that number divides the other number, that number multiplies the other number. Here we have two numbers, right? 10 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 110 ಇದೆ. So 10 ಮತ್ತೆ 110, 10 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next into 110 we can write it as 10 into 11. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಮತ್ತೆ 110 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 12 ಇದೆ, 12 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 12 is the 132, 12 11 is 120. 12 11 is 132. Now area is equals to square root of, so look here, how many tens are there? 2 times of tens we have. I am writing this as 10 square. How many 12s are there? 2 times of 12. I am writing it as 12 square. Clear? Next, into how many 11s are there? Again we have 2 times of 11. We have done with 10, we have done with 12, and we have done with 11, right? So area is equals to splitting method, 10 square into square root of 12 square into square root of 11 square, right? So therefore area is equals to 10 into 12 into 11. How much? 12 into 11. Let me solve. 12 into 11. 132 into 10. So 12 into 11 is 132, right? So 132 into 10 is 1320 meter square. 1320 meter square. Make sure you are writing the units. Clear? Next, we are not completing this problem. We have not completed this problem. We have to find out the rent. How much did it pay? Clear? Yes, I will do it here, right? I will do it here, okay? The advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 per year. The advertisement will yield 5,000 per year. Then they are asking 5,000 for 12 months. Then for how much? 3 months. 5,000 ಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ 3 months ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear? So therefore 1320 into 5,000 into 3 divided by 12. The answer is 1,65,000 rupees. So therefore the rent it pays is 1,64,000 rupees. Any doubts in this problem? No doubts. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment section. Let me solve it. Next problem, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls have been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters respectively, find the area painted in color. You should find the area using Herons formula, right? Let me deal this problem. Solution. Okay, what is given here? There is a slide in the park, right? I have written the slide in the park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color and with a message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall is A is equals to 15 meters, B is equals to 11 meters and C is equals to 6 meters. 6 meters, right? So next we should find out the perimeter. Perimeter not given. We are supposed to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. That is perimeter is equals to 15 plus 11 plus 6. Perimeter is equals to 15 plus 11 is 26 and plus 6 is 32 meters. 32 meters. P is equals to 32 meters. And again semi-perimeter, yes, I can hear you. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of 32. That is, yes, exactly it is 16 meters. 16 meters. Next. Now the main part, we need to find the area using Herons formula. I will in shortcut, I will write it as HF. Area is equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So therefore area is equals to, what is the value of X? 16 into 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 because the value of B, and next 16 minus 6. Clear? Yes, area is equals to square root of 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1, 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 6 is 10. The trick, any one number is multiply all the number. Any one number multiplies all the number. Is it possible in this case? Yes. 5, we have 5 and 10. In this problem, we have one number multiplies other two numbers and we are left with another number, right? So therefore 16 into 1 into 5 into what can we write? 10. 10 na enanta baribodu? 5 into 2. Clear? Next. Again 16 na enanta baribodu? 16 na? Yes, exactly. We can write it as 8 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. Clear? Area is equals to, we have 2 times of 5 and 2 times of 2. So therefore area is equals to 8 into 2 square into 5 square. 2 square into 5 square. Clear? So therefore area is equals to splitting method, root of 8, root of 2 square into root of 5 square. Square, square root, square, square root. So therefore area is equals to 5 2s are 5 into 2 into square root of 8. Again 8 na enanta baribodu? 8 is equals to 5 2s are 10. I will write it as 10, right? Next, again 8 can be write as 4 into 2. Clear? So therefore area is equals to 10 into square root of 4 is 2 into root 2 is equals to 20 root 2 meters square. 20 root 2 meter square. Clear? Once again I will explain from here. Okay? ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 and 10 ಇದೆ, right? So therefore we can write it as 10 as 5 into 2. That's it. Okay? 16 as it is ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next 5 into 10 ನ 5 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. So we have 2 times of 5 and again 16 ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? 8 into 2. Why I have written it as 8 into 2 because I need some squares. If I write 8 into 2, I will get 2 square, right? So next step is we have 2 times of 5 and 2 times of 2. That is 8, write 8 as it is and write 2 square into 5 square. So therefore we are left with root 8, root 2 square and root 5 square. So 5 into 2 into root 8, because square and square root get cancelled, and 5 2s are 10. Again 8 we can write it as 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 10 into 2, 20 root 2 meter square. If you have any doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section. Right? Next problem, fourth problem. Find the area of a triangle which of two sides are given here. Two sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and given perimeter is equals to 42 centimeters. Right? So what is given here? What is given? Two sides they have given, they have not given another side. So two sides, A is equals to 18 centimeters and B is equals to 10 centimeters, and another side C is equals to question mark. And given what? P is equals to 42 centimeters. We know that P is equals to A plus B plus C. So the value of P is 42 is equals to 18 plus 10 plus C. That is 42 is equals to 18 plus 10 is 28 plus C. 42 minus 28 is equals to C. 42 minus 28 is 14 is equals to C. C is equals to how much? 14 centimeters. Right? Next, semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of P, half of perimeter. That is, semi-perimeter is equals to half of 14. 2 is equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So therefore area is equals to square root of S is nothing but it's exactly 21. 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus value of C is 14. So therefore area is equals to 21 into 21 minus 18 is, yes, exactly it is 3. 21 minus 10 is 11. 21 minus 14 is 7. So area is equals to, so any one number is multiplies all the numbers or any others numbers, right? So 7 and 21 we have. So 7 and 21. Can I write 21 as 7 into 3, right? 7 into 3 into 3. I am writing 11 and 3 as it is into 7. I have got 7 square into 3 square into 11, right? Area is equals to 7 square into square root of 3 square into square root of 11. So therefore area is equal to square root cancel. 7 3 is a 21 root 11 centimeter square. I think you have got it. Next problem. Fifth problem, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area using Herons formula. So in this case they have given the sides in the ratio 17 is to 25. So let us write it as 12x, 17x and 25x. Therefore the sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. Let me draw a triangle here, right? 12x, 17x and 25x. Clear? Yes. So perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. That is perimeter also given. What is perimeter? 540 is equals to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. Yes, let me add these three, right? So 12 plus 17 is 29 and plus 25. 9 plus 5 is 14 and 54. 540 is equals to 54x. X is equals to 540 divided by 54, 10. X is equals to 10. X is equals to 10. So therefore the sides are 25 into x value is 10, right? So 25 into 10 is 250. One side is 250 and 12 into 10 is 120 and 17 into 10 is 170. We have got the sides, right? So semi-perimeter, next step is semi-perimeter, half into perimeter, that is half into the value of P is 540. That is semi-perimeter is equals to 270 centimeters. 270 centimeters. Next, the main part is to find out the Herons formula. To find out the area using Herons formula. Let me find out. Area is equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, right? So area is equals to square root of 270 into 270 minus any one side, 250, again 270 minus 120, again 270 minus 170, right? So therefore area is equals to 270 into 270 minus 250 is yes 20, 270 minus 120 is 270 minus 120, how much? 150, right? Next 270 minus 170 is 100, very simple. So therefore area is equals to, nodi yav number multiply agutte? Yes, exactly, it's 10. 10 into 27 and 10 into 2, 10 into 15, 10 into 10. Very good. Next, A is equals to square root of, how many tens are there? 4 times of 10. Can I write it as 10 square into 10 square? Yes. And we are left with 27 into 2 into 15 into once again 10. 27 into 2 into 15 into 10. And again look here. So square root get cancelled. 10 tens are 100. I will take it outside. Again we are left with 27 into 2 into 15 into 10. Right? Again we have the number 5 is multiplied by 15 and 10. Right? So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So I can write area is equals to 100 root of square root of 27 into 2 into 5 2s are 5 3s are and 5 2s are. So therefore area is equals to 100 square root of 27 into square root of 2 square into 5 square 27 2 square 5 square into 3, correct? Yes, area is equals to 100 and again 27. Can I write 27 as 9 3s are right? 9 into 3 into 2 square into 5 square into 3. Again we have got pairs, 3 squares, right? Area is equals to 100 square root of, can I write 9 as 3 square? Yes, 3 square into, again 3 into 3 is 3 square into 2 square into 5 square. So finally square root. The answer is area is equals to 9000 centimeter square. If you multiply all these numbers, you will get 9000 centimeter square, right? Last problem of this exercise 8.1, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeters and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. Let me draw the isosceles triangle. Okay, each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Okay, and given perimeter, we don't know the other side. Given perimeter P is equals to how much? 30 centimeters. That is A plus B plus C is equals to 30 centimeters. Value of A 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is plus C is equals to 30 centimeters. 12 plus 12 is 24 plus C is equals to 30. C is equals to 30 minus 24. C is equals to 6 centimeters. We have got the other side. The other side is 6 centimeters. Clear? Next. Yes, semi-perimeter. Finding semi-perimeter. Half of perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to half of P. P is 30 centimeters. 2 ones are 2 15s are. S is equals to 15 centimeters. Now apply the Herons formula. This is a very easy problem. A is equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Area is equals to square root of S. The value of S is 15. 15 into 15 minus A, 30. Next, sorry, 15 minus 12. The value of A is 12. And again 15 minus 12, two sides, and again 15 minus C value is 6, right? So therefore area is equals to 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3, and 15 minus 12 is 3, 15 minus 6 is 9, exactly. Area is equals to square root of, so 3, 15, what can I write? 3 into 5 into 3 into 3, 3 square. Again I can write 9 as 3 square, right? A is equals to, fine, 5 into 3 square into 3 square into 3 into 5, right? Square root get cancelled. We are left with area is equals to 3 3s are 9, root 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. I have multiplied 5 into 3 because I do not have square root for 15. So I have taken as it is. So the answer is 9, 3 3s are 9, square root of 15 centimeter square. This completes the exercise 8.1. We shall meet in the next class for exercise 8.2. And one thing, if you have liked this class, please give a like for this stream, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share my channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.